I'm back, and I'm going to show you, adding on to my last video, I'm going to show you what it would look like without the candle and without limited oxygen. Now this candle here, you don't need it for to have the oxygen because of course and you're not going to be burning out any oxygen.
Okay.
There's plenty of oxygen. So we're going to see what it's like.
Wait.
It's pretty cool. Just gotta push this together, and boom! It's really bright. It doesn't burn as long, and it makes a lot of smoke on the ends. As you can see, it didn't burn as long as last time, but it's pretty cool. I really like that. The fact that you can light something with pencil lead. It's quite awesome. It's like the layers of the pencil lead actually like peel back, kind of like a lizard's skin when it sheds. It's very awesome. Let's see if I can try and pick some off. It's really cool. Bye. I will see you in my next video.